Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the upcoming phone from the Poco, which is the Poco X3 Pro device. So we all know friends, Poco X3 Pro is going to get released very soon, and a lot of users they did ask me what kind of specifications they can expect. So that's what this video is about. So in this video I did try to gather all the rumors and all the specifications what we got regarding the Poco X3 Pro. So make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know all the details friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if possible. I'll try to get hands on with the Poco X3 Pro as soon as possible. So let's get started friends with a few specifications, starting with the processor. The Poco X3 Pro will be having the Snapdragon 860 processor, as you can see. So we will be having the 120Hz refresh rate, but that is going to be a IPS LCD panel, so not the AMOLED one. So next is a UFS 3.1. That's another biggest improvement in terms of the read and write speed test. And in the battery size, 5160 mAh of battery. So this is where I was expecting the battery to be more for the Indian version. So same thing we did see in the previous Poco X3 with the NFC and the Indian version. There is a difference in terms of the battery capacity. So I do believe that the battery capacity might vary for the Indian variant. So let's see friends, if that's the case, then that is another biggest advantage for the Indian model. So next we got to know about the processor, display, read and write, the storage and the battery capacity. And the Snapdragon 860 is kind of close to Snapdragon 855 plus chipset. So these are, you can expect same kind of performance like Snapdragon 855 plus phones as well. So keeping in that in mind, so we can expect the price of this phone, it's going to be around 22,000 or maybe 23,000. So but there is another drawback. This phone might come with the 4G, not the 5G. So this is what a lot of users they did ask me. So maybe I think 70-80% chances that this phone might come released with the 4G variant, not with the 5G variant. So that is what all the rumors are suggesting about this device. So even I did see a couple of other websites as well. Everywhere they did not mention anything about the 5G, but one thing was common: the processor Snapdragon 860 is a common, and the 120Hz LCD panel is also another thing which is a common. And few of the websites they did mention that the camera might be having the 48 megapixel camera lens, which is a quad camera setup. And even regarding the battery, as you can see, the global variant might have this kind of battery, 5000. So maybe the Indian variant might have maybe 6000 mAh of battery. In terms of the connectivity, you can only see the 4G. So there is no 5G in any website or any rumors. So I did not see anywhere mentioning that the 5G. So this is what the rumors are about friends. But let's see, after the official release we will get to know. I think on 22nd of March there is official release of the Poco phones globally, and 30th will be the, I think, Indian versions, 30th or 31st. So Indian Poco will be the launching. So let's see what the specifications gonna be having in these phones, and make sure to comment below friends. So what are the things you want me to cover on this topic on this phone? So definitely I'll see if possible. I'm not sure whether I can get hands on this phone, but let's see friends. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting topics in the future as well. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.